there, beautifuls, it's me, Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my BOXYCHARM for July 2019, and I'm so super excited to share with you guys what's in this box because I've been waiting to open this box. I know it's been sitting in my room for a little bit because I just got back the day that I'm filming this. This is the day after I got home. I'm filming on July 25th, so I got home the 24th, so this has been sitting waiting for me. I was in South Carolina on vacation visiting family, so I got back and yeah, so I'm filming this BOXYCHARM unboxing for you guys. I just finished filming my Ipsy bag, which should be the video that comes before this video, so I'm excited to share with you guys what's in my little BOXYCHARM. So, this is the BOXYCHARM for July 2019. So, the card theme right here is super cute. I'm a little bit dressed for it. So, it is the BOXYCHARM All You Natural. That's what it looks like. Super cute. Very earthy kind of green tones. And then, as always, the products are listed down below, so I usually go in order of how the products are, so when I list them in the description box with names of the products and pricing info for you guys can see all of that down in the description box easily. So, the first product is exciting because I got a skincare product, and this is from Elemis, which I've not tried anything from Elemis before, so I'm very excited to try this out. So this is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. I'm reading the card in front of me just to make sure I don't forget any of the names. But this is exciting. I got a mask. It's a veggie mask. Let me put the card close. It says, get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smoothens, and brightens for softer, smoother, and more radiant skin. And this is $35, guys. $35. So here's what it looks like. I like the simple kind of green packaging it has going on. Seems very kind of earthy tones. I'm getting like a very earthy vibes from this palette, like a earthy goddess maybe. So I'm really excited to try this out. It has a little seal on it, so I'm not going to open it just yet because I do have other skincare products that I'm currently using right now that I'm trying to whittle through. But I'm really excited to try this out. And also in here for this product, there was also a thing for the skin bar at Ulta Beauty with Elemis. Says this ready for a flash facial July 7th through August 3rd. You can get $10 at the Ulta Skin Bar. I'm guessing that's what it is. There's, I guess you can visit Ulta Beauty near you for a custom Elemis flash facial. There's an Insta Glow with Superfood to banish dull skin and get a healthy outdoor fresh look, or there's an Insta Firm with Pro Collagen, which is to fight the first signs of aging with clinically proven Pro Collagen products. So that is cool. If you guys want to just look at that right there. So, that's the first product. That is super cool. Plus, you get a nice full-size little skincare mask. I'm excited. I hear so much talked about with Elemis and stuff, so I'm really excited to try them out. So, we got that. The second product in here is from Butter London, which I've gotten a lot of things from Butter London. Mostly nail polishes, but they do have makeup, which I don't think a lot of people know about, but this is the product that I got. This is the Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. I think the packaging for it is super cute with like the wooden look to the package and the cute floral designs. It's definitely me. It's definitely me in a little packaging of things that I like. I like hardwood flooring and like little florals. They are cruelty free, in case anybody was wondering. This retails for $32, this palette. So there's a little plastic, take it off so you can see it. And there's a mirror, which I will not blind you guys, but there is a mirror. But I will share with you guys these shades. Hopefully you guys can see. Those are super pretty. I think they're not that bad. I like the pinky tones, of course, and I like that there's like not like a super bright green and stuff like that. And you got like a brown, and you got like a nice little blue, and there's also like a shimmery golden champagne. I like these. I like the names of them too. They're so cute. So there is them. Oh, these are so pretty. I will definitely insert some swatches for sure. These are super pretty. I think they are just darling. Very kind of light, earthy tones. But definitely something I would use on me because they're kind of like really pretty colors. They're just very simple and stuff that I would use every day, most likely. I know I would use the pinks probably a lot. But I think this is a pretty nice palette. It's pretty cute. So there's that. I like it. It's just super darling. It's like a earthy, woody goddess. Woodsy goddess. It's an earthy, woody goddess. I like that. That sounds really cool. The next thing is from Luxie. I love Luxie. I just got a brush from Luxie in my Ipsy bag. So now I have another little brush set from Luxie. These are the Gaea, I guess that's how it is. Gaea. I'm hoping I pronounced that right. If I'm not, I'm very sorry, but I'm hoping that's how you say it. It is their 3-piece brush set. And this retails for $30. I like the packaging of this. It's like, is it recyclable cardboard or like recyclable kind of eco? Yeah, it's their eco-friendly Luxie brush set. This is called. So that's cool. That is so super cool of Luxie to do an eco-friendly little brush set. So, oh my gosh, I'm gonna lose my voice. Okay. Okay, so before I lose my voice anymore, I went to go take a drink. In case you guys are wondering what I'm actually drinking right now in this video, I'm having a lemon tea Diet Snapple. My mom got these. I like these. I like these better than the peach ones. Than the peach teas. I love the lemon. I like iced tea and stuff, guys. Especially if it has lemon in it. I don't like unsweetened, or if it doesn't have lemon in it. I'm just not that type of person. So I was so glad that my mom had gotten a pack of these. I was like, oh. My Aunt Sabrina, she also drinks a lot of iced tea. I had noticed when I was there. And I'm like, but she doesn't put anything in it. There's no lemon. It's not sweet or anything. It's just like regular tea. And I'm like, I can't do that. I need something in it. I can't just do it like that. But, props to my Aunt Sabrina. Like, she literally loves her iced teas. And she likes her, iced coffees. Like, let's just be honest. Just like, basic. Very basic white girl. But anyways. I love her. So, Aunt Sabrina, if you're watching this video, I'm drinking finally some tea that has like some lemon in it. So, I finally have some iced tea that has something in it that's sweetening it up, because I can't do it standing alone. It can't have nothing in it. But these Luxie brushes, I know my Aunt Sabrina, she loves the Luxie brushes too, because she has a lot of the Luxie brushes that I saw when I went there. So, these are so cool. It says, unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. These are so, I think the packaging is so cute. I like the simplicity of this. It's not bad. It's so cute. So, the brushes in here, which I'm very excited because, oh, they look like wood. They look like wood. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm gonna have to send a picture. I think Instagram would like these very much. Okay, so the first brush in here is the Luxie 510 foundation brush. This is, oh, these are so soft. These feel nice, and they're pink with rose gold handles. I like it. I don't know if I can try to show you guys. But I love Luxie brushes because their brushes are always so super soft, and they make really nice quality brushes. So here we go. Here's the foundation brush. I like that it's nice and flat. I'm definitely going to give this a go. So pinky brush, rose gold, and look at the wooding. See the wood detail? Very cute. So that's the foundation brush. Luxie 246 precision crease brush. It's so very tiny. So super tiny. And there's also the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush. So super soft. Oh, I am so happy with these. I don't know, did I say how much these were? These were $30, these brushes? Hopefully I did, but I am super in love. I cannot wait to use them. So, very excited for Luxie brushes. They're such great quality. If you don't own any Luxie brushes, I really recommend using them. They always perform super well, and I get a lot of my Luxie brushes in a lot of my Ipsy bags for the most part. Throughout the years that I have been getting Ipsy, a lot of them are in there, and I do get some now in BOXYCHARM. So super cool and exciting. I think those are just like the sweetest and most cutest styling brushes. They've had black ones, they have the pink ones with the rose gold, and they've also had blue ones as well, like a periwinkle blue. So they make really cute, pleasantly aesthetically pleasing brushes, which I'm very happy about. So there's that. Okay, and the next product is from Alamar. Hopefully I like saying it. It's so cool to say. But this is Alamar Cosmetics. It's their Des-Nude-As lip gloss. I hope I'm just saying that right. But these retail for $15. These are actually brand new from the company, from this cosmetic line. I discovered Alamar Cosmetics. They've been introduced into BOXYCHARM a couple of times now. They've given an eyeshadow palette, which I missed getting the eyeshadow palette, but I have gotten their brushes. I've gotten a blush palette from them. And now they have some lip glosses. But I got introduced to this because Kathleen Lights knows the owner of Alamar Cosmetics. I believe it's one of her friends that she knows. And so I discovered it through that. But they have been in several different BOXYCHARM boxes throughout, I believe, the past last year and currently this year. So I'm excited for this new product. I like the packaging. It's so super cute. I like how it's like this brown and it goes into like the nudist color, because I guess that's showing like the product that's in the tube. And it has like rose gold or goldish copper looking the font of their name and on the cap. So this is in the shade, yeah, okay, so that's just the shade. So that is the shade. Is it? I'm guessing so. So I'm really excited. Okay, so I'm gonna open this for you guys. And we're gonna swatch it. Ooh, I like it. Ooh, it's a flat applicator and it's a clear, kind of almost like as acrylic plastic looking applicator over here. This is kind of cool. I don't think I hardly ever see ones that look like this. But this is what it is. It's a flat back applicator with the product. So let's give it a swatch. I've been so excited for this. Oh, that is a nice nude gloss. That is pigmented. Oh my goodness. Please, I just really want to. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna try it out and wear it. Oh my gosh, that is so cool and up my alley of a nude gloss. I'm excited. It doesn't smell like anything. I don't think it has a scent. But it says it's supposed to have a long-lasting thickening formula that conditions the lips while delivering high shine and full pigmentation. Wear it alone or over our new Des-Nude-As lip gloss liners. There's also matching, I'm guessing, lip liners that go with these, I'm guessing. These are gluten-free, talc-free, vegan, and always cruelty-free. And these retail for $15, in case I have not said that. I don't think I had set the retail price. But these are retailing for $15. So, I'm so excited. And lastly, we have an eyeliner, which I will not be opening to share with you guys because I don't wear eyeliner and it's not really a color I would wear anyways. But this is from Appeal. I've gotten a couple things from them. I'm not impressed with their brand, to be quite honest. I don't think their products are that interesting. So, I can't really recommend them to you guys because I've gotten a couple things from them and I'm just like, nothing really too exciting about them. But this is their gel liner in the shade Forest Green. And it retails for $21. So, it says you can use this for both your eyes or lips. It's a multi-use little thing. That's interesting. Don't know if I would want forest green liner on my lips, but that's interesting. This is what it looks like, in case you guys are wondering what it looks like. But I won't be using this because it's not really my type of thing that I like to wear. You guys know I love my pinks and my rosy gold champagne or silvery gray looks. So that's everything for this BOXYCHARM unboxing. I will have the price link. I will have the price of the full box total here up on the screen right now so you guys can see the total of this month's box. I'm really excited. I thought it was amazing. So yeah, I'm excited to use everything. I know I'm going to be using everything except for that eyeliner. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated and helps me out a lot. And until next time, have a beautiful and magical day. And I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.